How can I fix/repair a corrupted PDF file? Does anyone have any recommendation or procedures for repairing a corrupt PDF? When I open the file there was an error opening this document. The file is damaged and cannot be repaired. There seems to be a myriad of tools out there but none that I could describe as reputable. Are there any open source Linux-based solutions for this possibly?
Ghostscript will repair your corrupted PDF automatically. If it can open it in the first place, that is, if it is not damaged beyond repair. But afterwards you'll still need to double-check the results. On Linux, try this command. On Windows, try this one.
I had a corrupted PDF file, print.pdf, that ghostscript couldn't open, but the usual graphical Linux PDF viewers, Ocular, events, opened fine. In my case, the file had garbage at the start instead of a PDF header, when opened in a hex editor. These PDF viewers use Popular as a backend PDF renderer. So you can repair the PDF using Popular's command line tools. In Ubuntu these are in the Popular utils package. I used, which generated a PDF file with correct headers, which tools like ghostscript now accepted.
New tool, project page, man page, will repair broken PDFs without printing them. Installation, for example on Ubuntu, sudo apt-get install mupt tools. Run it like this, mutool clean input.pdf output.pdf. Alternatively, there are a few tools and frameworks that can decompose/decompile PDFs into their components without rendering them. These could be useful for extracting text, scripts, and images. See this answer for a list of such tools, this URL. For example, you can try the current top answer origami, it has a GTK-based viewer.
I had a corrupted PDF file, because the PHP file used to download it echoed some errors, in HTML, and null characters at the end. The solution was to open the PDF with Notepad++ and remove all text after the line.
If you want to support the show, please consider subscribing.